Ever thought homemade pickles take days or even weeks? What if we told you that you can make two insanely delicious Indian pickles instantly, no long waiting, no sun drying, and no fuss? So today we're making tangy and spicy Nimbu Ka Achar, sweet, spicy and addictive Raw Mango Chunda. Let's get straight to it. Now for the instant Nimbu Ka Achar, start by adding whole lemons to a pressure cooker. Pour in enough water and cook until the lemons turn soft. Now once cooked, take the lemons out and let them cool slightly. Cut them into quarters or any size you prefer. Transfer the lemon pieces to a bowl and add red chili powder, turmeric powder, mustard powder, fenugreek seeds powder, hing and salt. Mix everything really well. Now heat mustard oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and a pinch of hing. Let it splutter. This is where all the aroma comes alive. Now pour this hot tempering over the pickle mixture. Mix well until you see the oil slightly floating on top. Now just like that, your instant lemon pickle is ready. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container. Now let's prepare the Gujarati style instant raw mango chunda. Now for this, take 3 cups of grated raw mangoes. Add 2 teaspoons of pink salt, mix well and let it rest for 10 minutes. This helps release water and softens the mango. Now transfer the mango along with its water into a karhai. Add 2.5 cups of sugar. Cook on low flame. Now after 7 to 8 minutes, add a pinch of turmeric powder, a few strands of saffron and let it cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. Now you'll notice the sugar melting and the mixture turning thick and glossy, almost like jam. That's your perfect chunda consistency. Now turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Once cooled, add 3 cloves, 1 tablespoon red chili powder and mix everything well. Transfer to a clean glass jar. Store it in the refrigerator. It stays good for about 15 to 20 days. And there you have it, 2 instant pickles that are packed with flavor and super easy to make at home. Whether you like it tangy or sweet or spicy, these are guaranteed to level up any meal. So if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.